is indeed what it is. I am indeed 40. I am married. I have a couple of kids. 2 children to be precise. And I do get compliments all the time. People tell me, dude, you don't look like you're 40. I'm like, of course, man. I'm a yoga teacher. What do you expect? Huh? Dude, you don't look like you're married. Of course, man. I'm a stand-up comedian. I hang out cool and all that. What do you expect? Dude, you don't look like you're father of these 2 children. Wait, man. Hey, I did the work. They are my children, dude. Honey, please tell them, no? Yeah, he only. Stuff, man. Let's get to know the people here. All the happily married people, make some noise here for marriage. Happy. Yes, I like the proud feeling. We are the ones who've been there, done that, no? The marriage and all that good stuff. All the single people make some noise just to... They are always excited about something, no? About what? I don't know. Enna panniteenga avadi? But I know a lot of single people are very apprehensive of getting married, man. The one thing they're very scared about, they're very brave, but one thing they're very scared is marriage. You know, marriage panlamappa, is it worth it? Times have changed. Does it make sense? You know, how do you like your married life? They ask this very, inquisitive question. You know, if you ask me or any gentleman, how you like your married life now? The answer is same as what we say after we watch a new release film, like a new movie. How do you like your married life, sir? Opening was fantastic, sir. First half was very good. Second half, second half was full of fights. So many race and unnecessary fights. And second half, there is nothing new, boss. They keep showing the same thing again and again. What is the point? What is the point? Oh, then you don't like your marriage? No. Overall, it's good. What time, my take on marriage is same, man. One day, kids. Go for it. It's amazing, yeah? And they say marriage is an institution. Have you heard that expression? When I first heard that, I was like, institution? That should be like engineering college, medical college, university, something, no? How is marriage an institution? Now that I've been married for 10 years, I think they're totally right, man. Marriage is totally an institution. First of all, there is a big selection process to get into the institution. Yeah, they select. You have to figure out, you spend a lot of money while getting into the institution, right? Especially girls, have to spend a lot of money to get into the institution. And once you are in the institution, no, regular attendance is compulsory. Guys, if you're not there for too long, no, you never know, your seat may be given up to somebody else. Times have changed, right? And surprise tests are conducted all the time, guys. All the time, you have to be on your toes, guys. Suddenly the question will come, you have to be precise. And if you do the surprise test properly, if you answer properly, no, you are given a lot of internals. Internals are a lot of fun. That's where you get to score the marks. Yeah, internals are good. At least initially, yeah. But if you don't answer properly, no internals for you, only externals. But right? And proxying is not allowed, guys. Don't trust your friends on these things. Please, you have to do your thing. And cheating is not allowed. This is an institution, yeah, cheating is not allowed. If you are caught cheating, no, you'll be debarred from internals and all the other fun activities for a long time. It will be very difficult to get back. And if you're caught cheating again and again, guess what? Your parents will be called. Right? Things will escalate and they may kick you out of the institution. And as per the laws, if you're a guy, right, even though they kick you out of the institution, you still have to pay a lot of money to the institution. That's how it works. So, but guys, don't panic, yeah? It's still worth time, just go for it. And once you get married, right, the next step, what is the next big step? Getting the babies out, yeah? It's amazing, once you get married, all the elderly people in the family, they start behaving like project managers in the IT companies. They literally start chasing you. It's called planning for the family. Huh? Are you planning for the family? Are you planning for the family? Are you planning for the baby? Are you planning for the family? Why you delay so much? Wait a minute. You've been married for 2 days. Are you making progress? Keep it cool, right? And once you get your kids out, right? The next big step, getting school admission for your children, man. It is the planning for admission is a lot more elaborate than planning for the baby. Right? It's very involved. It's very expensive. But I was so happy that there is this one school in Adyar, right? It's called Shishya. Any Shishya alumni or Shishya parents, Shishya fans here? They are lovely people, man. It's a good school. I mean, they don't take any recommendations, no donations. First come, first serve, yeah? Makes sense, right? So when my first baby was 3 months old, I was like, why not? I went to the principal and said, sir, 3-month-old baby, give me admission for 2019. He was like, why are you here now? I'm so sorry, sir. I know the academic year is like 3.5 years later, but you said first come, first serve. So here I come. He's like, you are so late. Why you delay so much? Why you delay so much? 3 months. 2019 admission got over long back. I was like, what the hell? So when my second baby, right? I got smarter, yeah? When my second baby was 3 months, in the tummy, I took my wife along. Sir, you see my wife's tummy? That is my baby coming up next. Please do the honors. He was like, 3 months pregnancy, why you delay so much for? 2021 just got over. You know, these days I tell all my friends who are planning for the baby, right? Tell them, dude, if you want to get admission in Shishya, here is what you do. Every time you have a good time on bed, next day morning get up and run to the school. I know you'll be tired, but don't screw up. That's already done. Get up and run to the school, yeah? Tell the principal, sir, you know, we had a good time on bed. There is, you know, seriously, there is a very good chance the baby is in the making right now. But it's complicated, not that, I mean, you might want to take some proof along, because anybody can walk in and say, yeah, we also having good time recently in the bed.